Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to get more healthy recipes and do hit the bell icon for notifications. Today, we are presenting a super healthy Methi Oats Muthia for healthy heart, diabetes and weight loss. Methi or the fenugreek leaves and oats are both abundantly rich in nutrition. Let's check out few common health benefits of methi and oats. Both fenugreek and oats help in controlling diabetes by improving glucose and insulin responses. They are rich in soluble fiber which lowers LDL or the bad cholesterol and keep the heart healthy. They are rich in vitamin K which is good for bone metabolism. Rich quantity of diosgenin stimulates production of milk in lactating mothers. Due to richness in soluble fiber, they help in reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol. Due to low calories and rich fiber, they are helpful in reducing the body weight. They are rich in dietary fiber, which helps in digestion and cleansing of the bowels. They are rich in iron and folate, which are important for rapid growth of red and white blood cells in the bone marrow. Let's see the ingredients. Methi or fenugreek leaves 75 grams. Oats 1.5 cup 75 grams. Chickpea flour 1.5 tablespoon 25 grams. Curd 1/4 cup 50 grams. Sesame seeds 2 teaspoons 5 grams. Green chili 1. Asafoetida a pinch. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Garam Masala 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Heat a pan and roast the sesame seeds till they crackle and turn brown. Transfer the oats into a mixi jar and blend into a coarse flour. Then transfer the oats flour into a mixing bowl. Add chickpea flour, finely chopped methi, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, asafoetida, finely chopped green chili, add some curd and knead them thoroughly to make the dough soft. Do add some chickpea flour if the dough is loose. Now, cut the dough into 3 portions. Roll the muthias like hot dogs with your hands as shown on screen. Pour some water in a steamer and bring it to boil. Once the water comes to boil, place a steam pan and place the muthias on it to steam for 20 minutes. "20 minutes later, insert a fork and check whether it is cooked. If cooked, the flour doesn't stick to the fork. Remove the pan and keep the muthias to cool for 10 minutes. Now, cut the muthias into half-inch pieces and sprinkle the roasted sesame seeds on top of it. That's it. A super tasty and super healthy Methi Oats Muthia is ready. Serve hot with any chutney and enjoy. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.